What up YouTube, how's it going guys? It's your boy Skeda, welcome to my crib. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Skeda, I produce electronic music, I make free sample packs and of course I make YouTube videos. If you want to learn new things, expand your creativity or just entertain yourself, then make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss anything, yeah. And real quick before we start, let me know if you have any idea for a future video or any production tip that you would like to share with everyone. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to give depth to your basses, like Marauda or Tearout in general, yeah. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways how you can do it inside the serum without the use of the reverb. So without our talking guys, let's dive into the project. So guys, first I'm gonna show you the track and then we're gonna see inside the serum. So this is the sound, and now let's go inside the serum. Let's go to the effects. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is the phaser. Okay, usually when we use phaser we have the mix 100% and the frequency at 60, 70, 80, something like that, low hertz. But if you have your frequency at, for example, 2200, 2300, something like that, and the mix at 70% for example, I mean, let's see how it sounds without the phaser, yeah. I mean, it's a big difference. It makes the sound really more in depth and bigger. After that, after the phaser, let's go to the delay. Delay is also very good if you want to give depth to your bass. So, link and 24-25 on both, yeah. Turn off the BPM, feedback at 30% and mix at 40%. 40-50%. The difference is a little bit subtle on this one, but it's actually superb in my opinion. It makes the sound better. After that, let's go to the filter. That's the third thing I'm gonna show you. Usually when we use filter, we have the mix at 100%. Okay. Without the filter, let's say for example, I'm turning off the filter. Okay, with combs, it sounds like this. Do not go for 100%, 60-70% is fine, okay? Other than combs, you can also use the reverb. It's very similar with the combs, yeah. Filter, delay and phaser. With those three effects you can actually give depth to your sound and make it sound a little bit bigger, more Tearout style, yeah. So guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you thought that it was helpful, share it with a friend who might benefit from it, yeah. Thank you for watching, see you next time.